Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving straight into how to set permissions and roles in ZOHO Project, your comprehensive guide for 2025. Let's get started. First off, log into your ZOHO Projects account. You need to be an admin or a project manager to set permissions and roles. This is crucial because it establishes your authority to make changes to project settings. Once you're in, navigate to the project for which you want to set roles and permissions. The reason we do this is to ensure that you're adjusting the correct project settings. Now click on Settings, located on the top right corner, and select User Roles from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it takes us to the exact place where we can manage user roles and permissions. Next up, you'll see different roles like Manager, Employee, Contractor, and so on. To modify a role, click on it. You can then adjust the permissions for tasks, issues, timesheets, and more. Let me explain why this matters. By setting these permissions, you're defining what each role is allowed to see and do within the project. If you want to create a new role, just click on plus Add Role at the top of the page. Enter the role's name and set the permissions. This is important because it enables you to customize roles specific to your project needs. Lastly, click Save. Remember, without saving, none of your adjustments will take effect, so don't skip this step. To wrap things up, setting permissions and roles in ZOHO Project allows you to control access and responsibilities within your project. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your team efficiently. And that's it. You're now equipped to set permissions and roles in ZOHO Project. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in our next tutorial.